What's the difference between a ballpoint and a rollerball pen? They may seem similar, but behind the rolling ball tip, there are key differences, starting with the ink. When Laszlo Biro invented the ballpoint pen in 1938, he realized liquid ink wouldn't work. He and his chemist brother developed a paste ink that could be held in a simple tube, dried almost immediately, and wouldn't leak from the pen, even uncapped. Ballpoint ink gets its color from a combination of dyes. Two of the most common, crystal violet and methyl violet, are also used in staining lab specimens. You can even see the violet undertone in black ink. Then, in 1964, liquid ink made a comeback with the rollerball. Using a feed mechanism similar to a fountain pen, it created smooth, elegant lines. Because of the fluid ink, keeping the cap on made a comeback too. In 1982, Sakura invented a thixotropic gel ink that stayed put until the rolling ball liquefied it. This ink could use light fast pigments instead of fugitive dyes, leading to the Jelly Roll Classic in 1984, with a palette designed for vibrant, creative expression. More rollerball innovations followed. Zebra's fast-drying gel ink in 1992, and Uni-ball's waterproof Signo in 1994, with a no-scratch bezel. But ballpoints remain as popular as ever, with ink as easy and accessible as using a pencil.